Now let's get one with the bridesmaids. Perfect. Okay, now one with everyone who's wearing a suit for the first time. Oh, that's nice. All right, all drunk uncles. All drunken uncles, please. Okay, everyone who was invited out of politeness but not expected to come. Nice. Okay, now everyone who slept with the bride. Reverend at the back there? Oh, actually I need to use my timer on this one. Now everyone who slept with the groom?
新牌仔，新5000蚊一年。
我的天哪！
冇你陪過㗎，年薪100-200。
哎我的媽！
咁如果換轉係你，你可以點做啦？咁而家你有2個選擇，一個咧就係轉會，第2個咧就係交錢。
God please no no！
評論區可以講下你而家嘅汽車保險幾多錢一年？
真的嗎？
歡迎大家嚟諮詢了解新嘅汽車保險模式。